All right, welcome to the Crypto Factor. Welcome to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel talks all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship, and I just made this intro twice because I hit record instead of stream, but you should be able to hear me now. And today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. We're going to be talking about altcoins. I will be answering your questions in the chat, of course, as always. And we're going to be talking about SUI and AI agents on SUI because I'm incredibly bullish on these, and I have some new plays for you that you may or may not want to get into, but I suggest you do get into, and we're going to be looking at those because, as you know, I've been bullish on SUI for a while. I'm calling it the next Solana. Although it may not do the same moves, I do think it will make similar moves, maybe on a smaller scale, but I do see a lot going on in the SUI ecosystem, and AI agents is a must right now. Now, before I continue talking about this, talking about the Bitcoin price, talking about altcoins, I do have to say one thing, and I want you to bookmark this video because I'm going to say something very controversial right now, and you're not going to like it. You're not going to like it, but it's the truth. AI agents are in a bubble. They will become a bigger bubble, and this will just pop at some point. They're all going to go to shit. 98% of them are going to fail. And you're probably thinking, Paul, what are you talking about? AI agents are the future of the blockchain. Yeah, maybe they are the future. But right now, you have to understand that blockchain can't really support AI. There's so much computational power that needs to be facilitated for AI to work that blockchain is just not a good platform for them. That said, we're going to make incredible innovations. We're going to make incredible strides. We're going to make pumps. We're going to make profits. Understand that, yes, but don't think this is going to go forever. Don't be like Alex Becker a couple of years ago when I was saying that gaming will not go into a bear market. Gaming will go into a bear market. It did go into a bear market, and so will AI agents. We're just not ready. The only advantage, since we're talking about this, and I'll make a video about this in the future, the only advantage that crypto AI has over AI is the crypto factor, pun intended, right? And the reason is facilitating payments between AI agents and being able to do things. I mean, you can't really do that with TradFi. You can't plug in an AI to the API of PayPal and ask it to make autonomous payments and do what AIs are doing. That we understand, but you have to understand that's a crypto thing. AI agents off of crypto can just use crypto for that. But anyway, regardless, just wanted to mention that. I will be making a more extensive video about that in the future, so pay attention to that, but realize, yes, profit, yes, great, yes, awesome, yes, narrative. Understand it's a bubble. It's going to pop. It's going to fall like everything else. Don't make the same mistake that other people are going to make. Now, before we go on, let's look at the Bitcoin price real quick here. I'll be looking in the chat in a second. We're looking at Bitcoin price, what looks to be like a Wyckoff simulation pattern here or distribution. I don't think so. I don't think it is. It's not textbook. You could make an argument for it, but as soon as we clear 96,000, and then we clear 99, well, let's call it 100K psychological, this will be voided and we can continue going to the upside, make that support, and then maybe break all-time highs and go to higher levels. Of course, a lot of people are calling for $500,000 Bitcoin, 600,000, but I think it's too high. I'm still going with my first call, which was years ago, that this bull market, Bitcoin will get to 100 to 140,000 by the end of 2024, and it did. And also the top will be 100 to 140,000. Either way, we have to take profits there. Then if it breaks 140,000, we're looking at 200,000, so profit taking should be around the 180, 190 level. That's what I'm personally looking at. Yes, we're going to climb. I am still expecting a dump before Trump. Did we have the dump? Maybe. I want to see if there's a continuation to it, because if not, then we're going to have Trump as maybe a seller news event or even a bit after that, but then we can continue going to the upside. This this year, 2025, may actually be the top of Bitcoin. I said that the top of Bitcoin will be end of 2024, beginning 2025. As soon as the new narrative shifted with Trump coming out, I said the mid-2025 or beginning 2020, mid-2025 will be the top. Still, doesn't mean we're going to go straight down. We might go up, have a top in Bitcoin, come back down, come back up, see if it breaks or not to see if this theory plays out. If it doesn't break those highs and it comes back down, that was a top. If it does break the highs and goes higher, we have a strategy all for this. But generally speaking, I do think that this year, 2025, is the most important year to make profits, including early 2026, if you will, in altcoins and so on. Talking about altcoins, we are seeing red in the field. Except ChatGPT, we actually made a huge pump. I actually took profits when we actually went 100x up. Well, sorry, 100% up. And I took profits into SUI, and we'll be talking about that in a second. But generally speaking, everything is red on the daily here. We do have a few coming up. We see swarms coming up. We call this Pengu and so on. Of course, these are our favorite plays. There are more plays. We do have our smaller plays. Smaller positions right here. And of course, compared to the rest of the market, we're not outperforming the rest of the market today. We are seeing the top 100s over here. We're at plus 0.29, let's say, out of our favorites, plus 1.9 out of our meme coins. So we are outperforming with our meme coins. We're kind of like in the middle, maybe the lower middle range with our favorites, but these should go up and we should outperform these markets. Why are we less? We have some outliers here that are pumping. Anyway, regardless, market looks good on the daily. We'll see how this plays out. Generally speaking, I'm leaning bullish, but again, gotta see that continuation dump before Trump plays out or not. Now, another thing you have to understand, SUI, or SUI, that's how you pronounce it actually, is now my second largest position after Bitcoin. I'm all in on SUI. I made videos about it. I've been calling it, especially we got out of say into SUI quite a while back, and it's been playing out great for us. I do see SUI doing very, very well. If we look at the SUI chart over here, you'll see on the daily, yes, we have some resistance over here at around $5.20, but we did go up a lot. But if that was a 7-day, go to the monthly, making support right above these resistances over here. The good thing is if you go to the all-time chart, we're very close to 5.3. This is still blue sky breakout. This is still price discovery in my opinion. And once we break 5.3, we should have no trouble going up to 10. What's my prediction for SUI this bull market? I do believe we're going to get to the $30 to $50 range. Maybe we go more. Yes, I know market cap. Yes, maybe we go more. We'll see about that, but I do think SUI is going to do well. It's a safe play in my opinion compared to the rest of crypto, and I think SUI is right now my second biggest bag. Now, before I go on to talk about AI agents, just want to look at the chat, see what's going on here. I do see a lot of people in the chat. I see my man Morilonis saying hi, agent plus imk flork shelling a coin. Welcome, thank you for your show. Mr. Fred saying, Paul, so nice to be here again on another live stream picking your alpha. Hope you had a reasonable breakfast today. So I made a tweet on Twitter about this, and of course my group knows about this. I thought I had a heart attack yesterday. I was in hospital. It turned out to be very severe heartburn. Of course, I have Barrett's because of my other conditions as well. It felt like a fucking heart attack, okay? I'm like, this is it. I'm having a heart attack. I'm going to hospital. Turned out to be very, very bad heartburn. Maybe 6 souvlakia and 2 steaks for breakfast wasn't such a good idea. I ate it a bit fast. It is what it is. I was in hospital. All good right now. Hit the like button if you are glad I'm still alive. James also saying, Mr. Fred, you beat me to it. Nicole Belingo saying, look at us smashing the likes. Smash the likes, people. Do that. We like that. Smash those likes no matter what you're doing, no matter where you are. If you're cooking right now and you're scared that you might burn your food, it's okay. Maybe your phone is in the living room. If you go to push the like button, maybe you're hearing it on your earpods. You're scared you might burn the food. It's okay. Leave the food. It's okay. Let that motherfucker burn. Go inside, hit the like button. Charcoal is good for you. Charcoal is good for you. They're infusing it in everything these days. They're putting it in toothpaste. They're putting it on toothbrushes. You might as well eat that shit. Not carcinogenic at all. Not at all. Don't worry about it. Go hit the like button. If you are driving, if you're listening to this on the freeway doing 90, don't worry. Be responsible. Slam on the brakes. Let everyone else honk behind you. It's okay. Slam on the brakes. Go to the side of the road. People will understand. Hit that like button, then you can continue your journey. It's fine. If you're having sex, right now, and you're listening to the Crypto Factor, it's not weird at all. It's fine. Keep doing what you're doing. Just reach around, hit the like button. She'll understand. It's fine. She asks what you're doing. Just say you're liking the Crypto Factor. She'll be fully on board. She won't think it's weird at all. Anyway, so hit those like buttons. Would really appreciate it. Understand that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Just gonna put that out there. This is my opinion. I do hold some of these coins. No, this video is not sponsored by anyone, any means. Unfortunately, when I get a sponsor, I do announce them. So looking at AI agents, oh, wait. Let's just go back to the chat real quick, see who else is in the chat. I see Johan Verden, he retracted his message, but what's up? Aswatharan, Desai Right, Adrian, but USA planning use because of quantum electricity. Now they only, what? AI quantum, 25% of entire electricity for it. Don't know what you mean. Are you talking about electricity for quantum computing and AI? They'll find it. They'll make it. Don't worry about it. I see. Okay, so he's talking about a SUI coin. I get that. Yasu Vrese, smash Toshi, smash the like button. More money. People are just talking about coins. Win Lambo, please. That's up to you, Thiago. You can go buy one whenever you want, bro. Or just do whatever other YouTuber does. Just lease one or rent one and just pretend it's yours or borrow your friends. Brian K saying, Paul, I have crypto fallen and can't get up. Can you be my crypto life? Let's go, Factor VIP. Yeah, man. So check out the links in the description down below. By the way, I have different links to different services. One's the VIP group. That's where you hear everyone talking from, everyone making money, everyone doing well in that. Got coaching one-to-one available if you wanted me to sit over your shoulder, help you do DeFi, help you to do this, help you do that. And of course, there's a free mailing list. The link is in the chat and in the description down below, which you should join. Huge insider alpha. And yes, I do mean insider alpha. So let's have a look at the SUI agents. We'll get back to the chat in a second here. So one thing, everyone's in SUI on base, everyone's on Solana, and yes, I understand that. Virtual is great. We called all that. We did well. We weren't the first. We were one of the first people in there. We did very well. But no one's really looking at SUI, at least not enough. So SUI, AI agents on SUI, first of all, SUI is a lightning speed. It has lightning speed. Everything happens instantaneously. If you try this, you'll be fucking amazed. You just click the button, it's done. It's just fast. Fast as shit, right? So faster than XRP army guy having sex for the first time or ever. So the thing is, you want to be on SUI. Also, SUI is the main narrative, or it's one of the narratives. It's trend stacking with something that's doing very well. So we're looking here at SUI AI agents. This is SUIAI.fun. The official token is SUAI, okay? This one right here. I know it says SUIAI, but it's actually SUAI. This is the official token for this platform. You use this to buy and sell, okay? So if we click this, you'll see it's SUAI, just like I said. You can buy and sell this. Another way to buy this, by the way, is using CalSwap. You can use CalSwap to get this as well, or you can use Cetus, okay, which also works lightning fast. So this is a great coin right here to get into, in my opinion. You also have AIDA. This is another great coin to get into. So, and you can basically buy these up just like you would virtuals. I actually made a video on this. I'll leave the links in the description. Well, I'm not going to leave the links in the description down below. Just go to my channel. Let me show you real quick. That's the wrong channel. Because I'm a genius, I have to get everything wrong. And I know. No, not you. Where's my channel? Also, let me just close some things so I can make sure I don't, you know, doesn't lag and shit like that. So give me just 1 second here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So what was I talking about? Yes, my channel here. So you can go to the Crypto Factor channel right here, and if you go to videos, you will see I'm buying these SUI AI agent coins. These are the ones I was talking about, the ones I'm talking about right now. And of course, I made this SUI AI agent video as well. And of course, this video here is a more broad. This one's like with Base, Solana, and Virtual's protocol. So make sure you check out these videos. If you want to know why I'm bullish with SUI, check out this video right here. Also, follow me on X. You want to follow me on X. Believe me, there's a lot going on over there. It's very simple. It's MC Paul D. Just follow me there. You get to see a lot of things faster. You have a few laughs, get some info, and so on. So check that out. I will love to see you there. It's at MC Paul D. So, as I was saying, very bullish on SUI, very bullish on these coins, but another one that's not in this list, but you should be in my opinion, is Agent S. So Agent S over here, this is kind of like the Luna of the SUI network. This is the first AI agent, but it does a lot more than you can possibly think. It does a lot, and I'm actually making a dedicated video to this tomorrow. It's actually launching. And you gotta see what this guy actually does. It's more than meets the eye. It's not just a chat box or anything. This has a lot of tech behind it. I'm super bullish on SUI and AI agents, and I'm super bullish on Agent S, just so you know. Now, another thing to check out, if you wanna get on some new projects no one's really talking about at all. No one's really talking about these, but if you wanna get even newer projects, you may wanna check out Resurrect.fun. Now, Resurrect.fun, it's just like SUI AI Fund, but it's different. It's a different approach. They have a limited number of AI agents that they are actually launching. So these are limited, they're very select, and each one of them has their own purpose. The only one that's not theirs is Pepe. Pepe is somebody that actually built on here. But generally speaking, for example, you have Osiris, which is their SUI AI, or their SUI AI of the platform, their main token you buy and sell with this. This is something I got into. This is something I actually believe will do very well. And if you want to get in early, you are getting in early. Now, of course, there's risk associated with this. It's very new. And as you can see, price came all the way up, came back down here. It looks like it's finding support. Maybe it comes a little bit lower. Let's see. But generally speaking, I do hold this. I am gonna acquire and obtain more. So this is something to look at. And then you have, for example, Evan AI. This is a tribute to the co-founder of the SUI network. This is their meme coin, if you will, but this meme coin will actually become a KOL agent. So it will actually talk about SUI, promote SUI, and promote this platform, Resurrect.fun, and so on. So generally speaking, they have a very innovative approach. You can also check out Vinci, they do music. You can actually listen to their Beethoven, they do music. You can actually listen to the first musical composition of classical music on the site. You can look at Vinci here as well. Vinci is all about art, and I think it makes price charts into art. If I'm not mistaken, you can check this out for yourself. But generally speaking, I'm pretty bullish on this platform. They're new coins, something new approach, and you are getting in and very, very early. Only bad thing, so to speak, is that the co-founders are not doxxed. But at the same time, I understand why they do that. I've actually had a discussion with one of them, and I'm getting on this platform. But I also understand the risk. You should too, and you should do your own research of this. But generally speaking, I'm pretty bullish on it. Now, going back to the chat, I do see a few questions here. I'll skip all the, actually wait, Paul, we did that one already. Fart Coin Strategic Reserve 2025. Pretty much, man, the way we're going. Have you checked out of the, I don't want to look at these coins. Oh, it's Harry. Harry's okay. Harry's cool. Have I checked out Spec? Not yet, man. I haven't checked it out. I might check it out later. But I want to keep this video concise. I don't want to go too long with this live stream. I just want to answer some basic questions because I really want to, well, I want to go out. I actually want to go out and have a drink. There's this new bar club I found. Not sure if I can persuade my girlfriend, but I want to go out. I also want to charge the battery for my motorbike, so I need to drive there. So I want to cut this short, so I want to go get ready, shave, you know, take a shower and everything, and try and persuade my girlfriend to go out for a drink. We'll see if we go or not, but I'm not going to be making this a long live stream. I'm actually pretty tired as well. I have a lot of things going on right now. Just as a quick update so you understand. Number one, as you can see, I'm launching videos a lot. I'm making a lot of videos. Now, of course, it helps. I now have an editor. I now have a graphic designer. That's why you're seeing these great, gorgeous thumbnails. If you ask me anyway, beauty is in the eye of the perspective. But of course, I'm on the thumbnail. That's why they're so beautiful, because I'm incredibly good looking and smart. But anyway, and a genius. But anyway, and anything else positive I can think of to continue for the continuation of this joke. But anyway, also starting to work with different people. I'm working on a course. I'm working on courses with someone else from my group as well, with James. I'm also getting into hosting Beam nodes with Frederick. I'm also working with AI, with an AI agent. Don't want to talk too much about this right now, but I am learning about AI. I've been working with AI for a while, but I'm getting more and more into it. Getting ready for events. We're traveling to Romania beginning March for an event, then Poland at the end of March, then in June, it's Sweden. I think I'm speaking in Sweden on stage. And then also we have Istanbul, Turkey as well, that event in June. Then Dubai, which, by the way, also opening up a company with my partner, SUI. We're opening up a company in Dubai. So there's a lot going on right now. There's a lot going on. I'm overwhelmed a little bit, but, you know, I'm going to continue going with this pace because 2025 is an important year. And it's time to make bank. It's time to get things done. It's time to be bullish. I started working out again. A little bit of a setback with my health, but I started working out again. I want to start doing more flexibility exercises, not just weights, because I need that as well. A whole bunch of things going on. Studying, doing courses myself, whole bunch of stuff. So, yeah, with all that said, let's see if you have any more questions here. I'm glad you fixed your webcam. Yeah, Harry, that was crazy, man. Raul says, I think alt season canceled. That's a good sign. That means it's not. Not going personally against you. It's just when people actually think this. Alt season is not canceled. It's just having a dip in the extended part of the alt season, and we should have continuation. But we'll see. You might be right. We'll see. Let's see. Hi, Paul. Do you think what's happening in Canada affect the market short term? Not really. Who cares? Like, how many buyers are in Canada? And also, yeah, maybe some people... And look, people are worried about things that they have no control over or make no difference. You have to understand that markets generally... I hate it when people look at the news. Everyone always looks at the news because they expect something to happen. But what happens is usually the move happens and they look to the news to see why it happened. Guys, there's news for the masses and news for the classes. We never get the news for the classes. We get what they want us to get. There's no point looking at news. Like, news will make you emotional and will skew your technical analysis to another direction. So let me give you an example. All these YouTubers doing TA, some are actually okay at TA. I've been watching them, they've grown, they've become better at technical analysis. Their problem is they watch a lot of fundamentals and news. So they watch a lot of fundamentals and news, and you have to understand technical analysis can be justified both directions. It's probability based. But when you have emotion, you hear the news, you tend to lean towards the side of the news. But the news doesn't matter. Everyone always looks for the news after the move is made to justify the move that happened, because because you're not going to see a news reporter coming out saying, yeah, we hit resistance, we were overbought in the RSI and the Fibonacci, and they don't do that. People don't understand that. They want, oh, it's because they invaded Ukraine. Oh, it's because Trudeau, whatever. No, it's not. It's just not. Not only that, the economy and markets are not really correlated. Markets are irrational. Markets are irrational. I say that again. So I'm pretty much contrarian, so I don't look at news at all, almost at all. I'm like an 80%, 90% TA guy, and everything else is 10, 20% is like news and fundamentals. I'm wondering if it's going to crash when Trump comes in. We talked about this so long. If you're getting engaged, smash the like button. Especially if you're getting, engaged. Yeah, James got engaged. He actually proposed to his wife, and he wanted to do something different. He did something differently. As he was proposing, he smashed the like button. I suggest you do the same. I suggest you do the same. Hey, buddy, what's up, Ope? Flu going very well. What? Has XRP's price action surprised you? No, Harry. We called it. We said that XRP should get out, right? We got out like 3 years ago, before the SEC and everything. We said that 72 cents was resistance. If it breaks 72 cents to accumulate 72 cents to $1, because it's going to meet previous highs, and when it meets previous highs, just take profits. Not all-time highs, previous highs. And that's what we did. I mean, we called it perfectly, if anything. So no, it does not surprise me at all. We expected it. So I made more money than the XRP army that was hodling for so long, because we made so much profits and everything else. And then when it broke 72 cents, I bought a little higher. Everyone was laughing, ha ha, it's buying 72 cents to $1, ha ha ha. Yeah, but then I made like a 3-4x that I sold, and that's it. So I don't know. You tell me. Incredibly good. I used to be, man. I used to be. Give me some credit. If you go on my Instagram, wait. Let's be fair. I used to be pretty good looking. I think anyway. Of course, that's what I think. Maybe most people don't agree with me. But here, look. This is my MC Paul D, just like my Twitter. It's my it's also my Instagram. If you want to see like personal pictures, it's me in Dubai here. Me getting interviewed and so on. I make some videos here as well sometimes, very rarely. This is us. This is the kiosk we had in Dubai. Should be more pictures here. Okay, maybe not. Right? This is me back in the day with my abs. My bike. Just seeing me travel around. Pictures of my dog, what I read, what I eat. Some just bullshit. But if you go really back, if you go like, that's my girlfriend, by the way, and her mom. But if you go back, you'll see that, don't know if you know this, I used to be an artist as well. I have to go way, this, by the way, I wrote these books, just so you know. But if you go way back, like way back, like the shirtless factor over here. Give me a second. Give me a moment. That's my dog. I love my dog so much. That's my girlfriend. If you go... Sorry. Where am I? Oh, that's DJ Lord from Public Enemy. But yeah, if you go way back, you're going to see pictures of me when I used to be an artist. And when I used to work out, of course. This is me when I used to work out. But if I go way back, even backer, even more back, way back. This is Poland when I was a marketing director, or CMO, sorry. Come on, before I got sick, this is when I got sick, by the way. I was trying to get pictures looking decent after I got chemotherapy. But yeah, right here. So here is when I used to be an artist. I also used to be in business, by the way. But look, I mean, this is me, right? This is me not too long ago, I guess. 10 years ago. 2000, yeah, 10 years ago. That's me. So not too bad. Not too bad. I looked okay. And then you can see me performing and stuff like that. And my parents and so on. I'm just going on a memory trip here. I'm trying to find my MC videos and so on. There you go. That's a couple of them right here, for example. That's me performing in different clubs in Greece, in Balkans, so on. My poster, for example, when I used to perform. So yeah, I used to live off MCing, by the way. And that's me, basically. I wasn't bad looking. It wasn't a model or anything. But I'd say I was okay. So I don't have many pictures on here of me MCing, just a few. I don't really like taking pictures that much, man. Like, everyone loves taking pictures. My girlfriend used to. I just get pissed off. I just want to enjoy the moment. Which is a shame, because I could really post a lot of shit. But anyway, it doesn't matter. I digress. I'm sorry about that if you weren't really interested. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see food pics and, you know, pictures of me at events maybe and stuff like that, if you are interested. If you come to Sweden, we'll definitely. I should be in Sweden in I think it's beginning June. It's beginning June. There's a blockchain conference. I should be speaking there, but we'll see in Stockholm. What about ChatGPT? We took profits when we went 100% up. I told my group to take profits. We took profits, waiting for it to come back down to rebuy if we want to, or just keep the profits we took into SUI like we did. ChangeGPT is a pretty good project regardless. Can PAL go 10x? Yes, it can. Will it? We don't know. But it will probably will in the alt season, though. Maybe more. What do I think about meme season? I think we should look at more into AI agent seasons. We'll still have some meme seasons, but the narrative was that I explained why we had the meme seasons last year. It was because of regulations, because utility would pretty much make any cryptocurrency a security. So a lot of the exchanges didn't really launch or add coins, and then people couldn't bring utility. So Wells took advantage of this, started making meme coins, and then they all went on autopilot. Everyone started piling in. Then the exchanges like, wait a minute, we can list meme coins because they have no utility, therefore they're not securities. And I made a whole video about this. I don't really want to get into it. There's a lot more to that, but I don't think we're going to see meme seasons like we did. We are going to get a couple, but not as many as we did, which is just as well. You have charisma. Thank you so much. I think GFL, we got out of GFL, even though it could do well. We got out of GFL. We got into other plays. How long it is good idea to hold AI agents? Well, I would probably sell regardless around March or May, and then rebuy in the summer for one more run, and then reevaluate if it's going to go higher and continue or not. That's what I'm seeing right now. This might change around that time, so make sure you subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you can get these info in real time. Where are the pics I had hair? Those are a long time ago, my friend. Those are a long time ago. Very long time ago. I used to shave my head even when I had hair, just so you understand, by the way. Yes, ChangeGPT did list on Binance with another couple of coins. Anyway, thank you very much. Really appreciate you. I am going to go take a shower. I'm going to go get ready. I'm going to go eat some food before I go out so I don't drink without eating, if that makes sense. Probably won't suffer another heartburn attack looking like a heart attack. I love you all. Thank you very much. Hit the like button, and I make sure you watch the videos I mentioned earlier on, and make sure you watch tomorrow's videos and the videos this week. Very, very important, okay? Very important. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.